All right, guys, we just got done doing HVAC cleaning for a repeat client. We did the duct cleaning, this guy right here. Client's happy. We just got done doing all the returns, the vents, all the supplies, and then also the main truck lines. Now we're gonna sanitize it with our UV fogger right there. There's Bridget on the scene, and all is well. Hey, let's go. All right, guys, we're doing some vent cleaning, HVAC vent and return cleaning. We're doing a repeat client. As you guys can see, this is the return wall cavity, and this is all the good stuff that's hibernating in there. It's been a long time since I had it done, and we're gonna get it cleaned and sanitized. That's what we do. AOCleaning has you covered. AOCleaning.com. All right, guys, you can see we're cleaning this wall cavity, making it clean, hygienic. Breathe better. Call you today. AOCleaning.com. Look at that, guys. Oh yeah. All right, guys, nice and clean and pristine. This is the AO way. Check it out. Bam. Clean. Breathe better. AO, let's go. Guys, we are in the living room area, and this is the return, sucks in all the stuff. 9 times a day, 365. Look at that, guys. So we're gonna get that taken care of. AO, let's go. All right, guys, you can see we're getting the vents real good. We already went about 35 feet, finishing it up. AO, let's go. Oh yeah. Just another day at AO. There it comes. Oh yeah. Look at that, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, this is what we do. You can just see how much better it looks. They can breathe better now. Now that the return is complete and clean, the wall cavity's clean, and we're gonna sanitize everything when we're finished. And we already done the supplies. Next, we're gonna go downstairs, do the main trunk lines, and that'll be a wrap. Then we'll sanitize it, and all is well. Again, guys, recap, you should do this every 7 years, or if you have any kind of remodeling, construction done, allergy symptoms, or if it's been at least 7 years, get your HVAC clean today. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And this is just some of the stuff we got out of the supply. Look at that, guys. This is some of the stuff we got out of the supply. That supplies your air. Stay tuned for what we get out of the trunk. All right, guys, this is the main trunk line of the supply. This supplies all the air, as you can see, all that yummy stuff. So we're gonna get this main trunk of this supply cleaned, and then we'll sanitize it when we're done. Stay tuned.
Hi guys, you can see we're way down in there, about 40 feet, getting the supplies, getting all stacked and clean, getting all this metal clean and activated, and after we get done doing this, we sanitize it. Okay, let's go.
All right, guys, AO, let's go. Nice and clean and pristine. All right, guys, this is the return main trunk line. Yeah, buddy, needs a little TLC. Stay tuned. AO, let's go. AO, let's go. Nice and clean. AOCleaning.com. Breathe better.